Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to delete video in TikTok. Go to the TikTok app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap the video which you want to delete. Tap on the three dot below the comment icon. Scroll to the left. In the end, you can find the delete option. Tap on this. Confirmation message will pop up. Tap on delete. That's it. Go back to your profile and you can see the video is deleted successfully. In this way, you can delete a video from TikTok. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.